distance and displacement. So what is distance and displacement? Let us consider this is some path, this is some station A, this is some station B, and this path is being adopted by some vehicle, so it reaches from station A to station B. Let's consider this is 60 kilometers. This will be longer, and if you take it a straight direction, straight line distance, so that is about 30 kilometers. So that is 30 kilometers. So what is distance? Distance is like it's moving from station A to station B. This is 60 kilometers, A to B, and B to A, B to A, that is if it come back, it goes in this direction, come back from station B to station A, again it has to cover 60 kilometers. So this will be like this. So it's always adding up. So if you will be moving, the distance will be covered and it's always adding up. So if it comes again back to A, that is A to B and B to A, that is 60 plus 60 is how much? That is 120 kilometers. But what about the displacement? Now displacement, so from here to here, displacement means how much is displaced from its original position. So if it's right from here, then it reaches here. From this is from A to B, that is actually straight line distance. So some direction is there. In distance there is no direction, but here in this direction does matter. In distance, direction does not matter. So from A to B, it is how much? 30 kilometers, right? And now it come back, it goes like this and come back to A, and the displacement from B to A, if this is 30 and it's coming back in the opposite direction, this is minus 30. So that is displacement from A to B and B to A, again that is how much? Is equal to 30 plus negative 30. So is 30 minus 30, and that is 0. So if you go to any place and come back, the distance will be added up and gives you the how much you have covered. But if you come back to same place after covering any of the displacement and come back to the original position, then the displacement will be 0. In displacement there is always, because that is straight line, it shows some directions will be there, a direction is there. Like consider this is some angle is there with the horizontal, this angle is there. Let's consider this is 30 degree, just consider it, it's 30 degree. So when we will write the displacement, how we will write this? If displacement from A to B, we will write this as I show you. So it is 30 kilometers, but if you take directions, we always take topward is north, this is south, along that is east, and along that is west. So these are the directions. It is showing like this. So this is we will write how many degrees are there. 30 degrees. 30 degrees towards north of east. So this is the complete thing for this. So this means if a body moves from A to B, that is 30 kilometers at 30 degree north of east. So this is the right way to write it. So this is your displacement. So ਬੱਚਿਓ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਮੇਰੇ ਚੈਨਲ ਨੂੰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਕਰੋ ਤੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਬੈਲ ਆਈਕਨ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਨੱਪ ਦਿਓ ਤੇ ਜੋ ਵੀ ਕਮੈਂਟ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋ ਵੀ ਜੋ ਵੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਮਝ 'ਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਉਹ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਉਹਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ 'ਚ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇਨਫੋਰਮ ਕਰੋ, ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਕਮੈਂਟਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਣੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਦੱਸੋ। ਤੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਪੰਪਲੇਟ ਹੈ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਆਪਣਾ ਮੇਲ ਐਡਰੈਸ ਵੀ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੋਇਆ, ਸਾਰੀ ਇਨਫੋਰਮੇਸ਼ਨ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ, ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਦੇਖ ਲਓ। ਸੋ ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਬੇਟਾ।